Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use an Amazon speaker to achieve voice control when the TP35 motor is paired with a 2R Smart Zigbee smart box. Firstly, the 2R Smart app on our phone has been connected to the motor and gateway, and our Amazon speaker has been added to the Alexa app. Next, we will explain how to connect, which is very convenient. Firstly, we open the 2R Smart app, select the motor we want to voice control, and click on the icon in the upper right corner. Then we select Alexa in third-party control, click on Relogin in the upper right corner, and then select Link. Now we open the Alexa app. Select all devices in Devices, and we will see the devices that have just been added to the Alexa app. After clicking on it, we can see some information about the motor, where you can edit the name of the motor and delete the device. Next, we will perform voice operation by awakening Alexa for voice control. Alexa, open the smart curtain.
Okay.
Alexa, close the smart curtain.
Okay.
Alexa, open the smart curtain to 50%.
Okay.
Alexa, close the smart curtain to 25%.
Okay.
Alexa, open the smart curtain to 80%.
Okay.